So hi everyone. Uh, so let me continue the yesterday's class. Okay. So yesterday we have completed template integration and right. So in template integration, we didn't load the static files, right? Means for index page. So we have just completed off of the page. So let me continue in today's class. Okay. So let me share the screen. So it is our index page, right? So here we just loaded some files only. So to get all the exact images and styles and all, we should we should load the static for each and every uh, images and Java files like that. So we have just completed our static for only CSS, right? So let me continue the class. Let me do the static for all the Java files and also SRC. Okay, so here I'm doing static. So let me do now. So at 21 places we have CSS, right? So do that. Complete. Next we have to do for SRC also. We have to load for all these SRC and CSS and also Java files. Okay, so let me do this. And we have completed the CSS and SRC, right? So next we have to do here also we have some files. So we should JavaScripts. So here we should load the static for these scripts also. Okay. So Let me do this. So we have loaded all the CSS and also SRC and also script files, right? So let me run the page. So refresh it. See, here we got our exact page, right? So let me check let me compare our original template and also our template. Okay, so this is the original template, right? This is our template, right? So here we didn't got the image, this image, and still what else we find? That image is missing, and here also we didn't find the images like our original image, right? So let me do this. Okay, so here we have one, we missed CSS. Not like this. Wait. Just 1 minute. Let me load this UR like image background image. So how I'll do means, so let me run again. This is our template. So we have got our background image, right? So to get this images, we should do the static load. Okay, so where we have means, here we find, see. So we should load these also. Wherever we find background images, we should do like this. Okay, src images and css and script files, wherever we find all those things, we should load the static there. Okay, So now let's run again. See, we have got our images successfully, same like uh, our original template, right? So but here also we are missing our images. See here. So let's do the static load here also. One minute. We should load wherever we found the background images, there we should load the static. Okay, so here also we found, right? So let's run the server. See, we got our messages and the template is as it is same as our original template, right? See, these are the headers and we got our headers like this. And see, we got all the styles and also images, right? So this is how we'll do the template integration, and this is how we should load the CSS and the JS and SRC and also background images. Okay, so let's, so what next I what I want is I want to load the same page of about page. I want to load the about page also. So for that we should go index page to about page, right? So to go index page to about page, we'll get some error. So for that what we'll do, we should give the link, right? So for that purpose we should come to the index HTML. So to redirect to about page, we should write views and URLs and also link. So first of all, what I'm doing is I'm writing the views. Okay. So here I'm writing the views like def about. This is our function name and request. Next return render request. And what is our HTML name? About dot HTML, right? So we should keep our HTML name. So these are the views. And next what we'll do, we'll write the URLs. Okay. So for that we should take about here views dot about and name equal to about. So we have written the views and URLs. Next, what we'll do, we'll give the link in the index page. Okay. So here in the index page, mm, here we have already about page, right? So what we'll do means we should remove the HTML. Okay. So how we'll write the link? We'll use the URL, right? So for that we should give URL about. Same, how we will give the URL link? Likewise, we should give here without writing HTML. Okay, so we have written the this page also. So what we'll do? Let's run the server. See, we have redirect the page from index to about page. So we are finding like same because we didn't load the css for this page, right? So what we'll do means here we should for these HTML files, for next further HTML files also we should load the CSS and image. So to avoid doing all these, we should create one header HTML, include that header and use to all the HTML files. Okay, so to avoid this for each and every page if we load like this means the time is very uh, time will be waste, right? So to avoid that, what we'll do means we should create one header HTML. Okay, so create that header HTML and include a header in that HTML and include that header HTML in every page. Okay, so that it will be easy and time saving. Okay, so next what we'll do means we should create a one header HTML. So in this HTML, what we'll do, we'll copy all the text. Okay, so where from here to here, header to header, I'm removing here in index. So include here. Next here we should here we kept header here. So here we didn't have the header now because we removed, right? So here the header is not there, right? So what we'll do means we should include that header. How we'll include the header means here include header dot html. So this is how we'll include the header. Okay, so we'll get the header C. So we got the header here. Okay, same likewise what we'll do means we should include the header in the about page also. So first what we'll do, we should load the static here, right? And here what we'll do means we'll include the header. And we'll remove the header to header. So go to the about. We got some header, but we should load this about page also. Okay. So we have include the header, right? So we have footer also. We should include footer also. Okay. So here in the home, this footer is there, right? So we should create the footer HTML. Okay, footer HTML, and you just remove here in the index HTML, remove footer to footer. So we'll not from the footer, right? See now. So what we'll do, we should include here. Okay. So first we should keep that footer here. Next we should include here. Include footer dot HTML. Okay. So see, we'll find now. So same likewise we should do in the about page also. Remove from footer to footer. And here you should include the footer dot HTML. Okay. So here we didn't load the CSS and SRC and all, right? So we should load these files, and let's do, okay, let's load the CSS static here, same like index page. So next where we'll find first CSS, right? So CSS we have loaded here. CSS completed, and next SRC we should load. So we have loaded the CSS, SRC and also JS. So let's see. We have got some images and styles, right? But still we didn't got exactly as our original page, right? So these images are missing. So to load that, we should load the background images. Okay, to see that, we should load the background images, right? So how we should load means, hmm, so let's check. Okay, tomorrow we'll do this about page. Okay, so we'll load this about page. So after that, we have created today header and footer also, right? So tomorrow we'll do the about page. Uh, we'll load the about page and also let's see the contact page. Okay, so up to today this is our class. So thank you. Bye. Let me continue the class tomorrow. I will do about and also contact pages tomorrow. Okay. So thank you.